Hey folks, Sheila here from Design Files. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how to use the drop shadow feature within the Moodboard Editor. So this comes in really handy if you are creating simple concept boards like this, but maybe you're feeling like your concept boards feel a little bit flat. And in some cases, you might have similar images or textures like this marble and this fabric, and they're kind of blending into each other, and you just want to create a little bit more depth there. That's where the drop shadow feature comes in really handy. So if I click onto this marble image here and we come over to the toolbar, we're going to go into the style settings, and here you're going to see there's an option to apply a drop shadow. So I'm going to turn that on. Now down here, you're going to see that you have the ability to adjust your drop shadow. So you can change the color of it. You can use the color wheel right here. So this would give more of a color glow behind the actual product, or you can just keep it as a black shadow, and then you can make your adjustments to that as well. Now down here, you're going to see that you have the horizontal and the vertical offset. So if I pull this left or right, you can see how it's adjusting the drop shadow on my design. And again, with the vertical offset, you'll see what's happening. So this allows you to get it into the position that you want. You can also increase the blur if you like, or you can sharpen it up. And below that, you can adjust the opacity. So you can see how everything is being adjusted. But definitely go ahead, jump into your Design Files account and give this feature a try. It does come in really handy when you're building out design boards like this, because it does give you that additional sense of depth. And it looks really cool when you're applying it to more organic features like this. So if I select this image right here, we'll go into the style settings, we're going to apply a drop shadow, and you can see how it just kind of adds a little bit more to this overall design board. Now, you can use it for your simple concept boards like this. You could use it for clean, gridded out material and finish boards like this one right here. So again, some of my materials and finishes, they feel like they're blending into the background color for this particular slide. So if I wanted to, I just pop into the style settings, apply a drop shadow, make my adjustments to it. And then if I want to, then I can just use those same adjustments for any of the other materials that I've added to this particular board, just so it has a little bit more pop to it. So jump into your Design Files account, give that feature a try. If you have any questions about how to use it, you can always reach out to us on the live chat. We're always happy to help. And thanks so much for watching.